Today, I'm responding to a viewer question. Let's talk about it. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in here. Hope you're having a great day. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below because I'm giving away an ICOM IC7300 HF transceiver when we hit 10,000 subscribers. We're getting closer and closer, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend, tell a family member. Get everybody subscribed to HamShackTV because I want to give away that radio. So I received a comment on this particular video. This is why GMRS is beating ham radio in 2025. And scroll down here. Here it is. Steve Morrison 9107 asks, I'm new to this. What is GMRS and where can I learn more? Thank you. Well, Steve, you've come to the right place. I'm happy to answer your question here. And let's break it down. GMRS stands for General Mobile Radio Service. It's a licensed U.S. radio service that operates on UHF, the 462 and 467 range. Think of GMRS as the middle ground between FRS, which is Family Radio Service, those bubble pack walkie-talkies that you can buy at Walmart, and full amateur radio. It's simple, powerful, and practical. And honestly, it's one of the many reasons so many people are getting back into two-way radio communications in 2025. Here's why. There's no exam, just a license. With ham radio, you do have to pass a test. With GMRS, you don't have to pass a test. You simply pay the Federal Communications Commission $35 and you're done. That license lasts 10 years, just like a ham radio license. But here's the big difference. It covers your entire immediate family. That includes your spouse, your kids, or parents living with you. So basically, any family member, blood family member, or not necessarily blood family, I guess it could be a foster, but any family member that lives with you, your GMRS license will cover. One license, everyone can talk. Number two, it works extremely well. GMRS users use repeaters, just like ham radio, but they also use simplex, so direct one-to-one communications. But repeater operations can give you impressive range, sometimes 20, 30, or even 50 plus miles, depending on your area. And GMRS audio quality, excellent, clear, and punchy. You turn it on and it just works. Number three is gear is affordable and modern. You've probably seen names like Midland, Baofeng, B-Tech, Radioddity. I'm trying to think here. What others? Redivus. I know we talked about Redivus before. All these companies make GMRS mobiles and handhelds that are easy to use, menu-driven, and reliable. You don't have to be an engineer to program them either. Even though you can if you want to. Number four, it is perfect for families, off-roaders, preppers, events, and neighborhood groups. That's the big reason GMRS is exploding. People want communication without complication. GMRS gives you road trip comms, off-roading trail comms, neighborhood watch channels, emergency reliability during thunderstorms and severe weather, kids and adults operating together legally, and a growing network of repeaters nationwide. You get modern gear, modern features, and you don't need to pass a test. So where do you learn more? If you're brand new, the FCC website gives the official rules. This will be under Part 95. Check out other YouTube channels that cover GMRS reviews and comparisons. Not a Rubicon Productions is one that really does a lot with GMRS. Go check out Not a Rubicon. You can look at GMRS radios on Amazon. I got an Amazon link down in the description down below, and you can get a feel for the pricing and features. Browse the comment section as well. I'm sure there'll be a lot of GMRS users that hang out in my comment section as well. GMRS is often the gateway into ham radio, though, because it shows people how powerful radio communications really can be. And if you do want to get your ham radio license after trying GMRS, check out hamradioprep.com. They're the sponsor of today's video. Hamradioprep.com. They've got the technician, the general, and the extra class course. And they are so confident that they can assist you in getting your ham radio license. They offer a money-back guarantee if you fail it on your first attempt. You'll have to see their website for details. That's hamradioprep.com. And you can use my coupon code HamShackTV. You're going to get 10% off. They're already great prices. GMRS is a fantastic starting point, though, but ham radio does take it further. Both have their place, and both keep people connected when everything else fails. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Thank you so much for your question, Steve, and welcome to the world of radio. Live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. Guys, I can't thank you enough once again for this absolute great growth that we've seen here on HamShackTV. I'm looking forward to giving away that HF rig, the ICOM IC7300. Make sure you subscribe. That way you can be entered in for that drawing. 73s, everybody. See you next time. AA4WX, WSCB 693.